Hi, my name is Chef Carlos. I'm with C&M, and today we're roasting garlic 2 ways. Once we have all of our ingredients for our roasted garlic, now it comes into the process of making it. So first things first, we're gonna have to preheat our oven. Our oven right now is at 225. Once we have our garlic cloves nice and peeled, super simple. We're gonna put it in some kind of device to garlic in. Step number 2 is I talked about I need some kind of oil. So I have canola oil here. There's not really a whole amount that we need. We just wanna make sure that it is fully submerged. That's key. So we're gonna put some oil into the oven. It goes. Our garlic confit has been in the oven, just came out. We're gonna lift up the foil, just be careful, it's gonna be kind of hot. And we're gonna kind of check it out here. Now we have 2 elements. We have garlic oil, and now we can use that to cook with. I could use it to pan-sear stuff. I could use it for croutons, tossing some croutons. There's a lot of different things you could do with the roasted garlic oil. And we have the garlic really soft confit. And then now, using a spoon or something, I could get maybe just one, it's kind of a lot. Just one, or if you love garlic, add more. And now even with just a spoon, I could just spread it on there. But yeah, here's a quick little example of garlic oil, garlic confit, and now I can use it for a spread or anything else. Now we're gonna show you roasted garlic. So first things first, we're gonna set another oven to about 350 degrees. We're gonna get a whole garlic. I already cut the top, so essentially we're gonna just trim off the top. Next up, we're gonna grab pure olive oil. Honestly, just enough to really get in the crevices of the garlic. So there's no right or wrong. Even if you went a little heavy, that's okay. It's not gonna hurt it. After we have our olive oil into the garlic, we're gonna use a little bit of salt, a little pepper, and also too, this is optional. You could roast it as is. I like to add a little bit of rosemary, thyme, some kind of herbs. It's gonna smell beautiful, it's gonna taste delicious, and that's it. And then from there, we're gonna grab the corners. It doesn't have to be perfect, we're gonna just wrap it. So once we have our roasted garlic, we're gonna put it on a sheet pan, and then into the oven it goes. Again, 350 degrees to 365, and we're gonna roast it about a half hour to an hour. So into the oven it goes. So next step, our whole roasted garlic came out of the oven, so now it's all good to go. Now we're gonna open it up. You're gonna see a nice golden brown is what we're looking for on the very top. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just put the garlic on its side, and then essentially we're gonna just kind of push down, and all the garlic is gonna come out, okay? So with your thumbs or whatever, it doesn't really matter, and we're gonna just push it out, just like that. You can use like a fork or a spatula, try not to get so much of the peel, and I'm just gonna push it back. This way here, we're gonna make a nice, beautiful golden brown garlic puree that we can use. So we could grab our knife here, and I could smoosh it up, or a spoon, and we have this beautiful, nice garlic puree. Now what I can do is I can use this again for a million different things. Even mashed potatoes, even soups. I have roasted garlic for everything. A Caesar dressing, you know, if I want to add a garlic, a pesto, a lot of different components I could add to it. But there we go. We have a nice, beautiful roasted garlic puree. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Chef Carlos, and good luck out there in the kitchen.